Can you tell me about your team and your projects?
Our team consists of all international school boys in Malaysia. So we in Malaysia we're giving a chance to all these boys because there is no system in Malaysia to let foreigners to play in the domestic league. So we set up this academy for the international boys to have a chance to play football and get together. So our project is just giving a chance to all the young footballers just to have a feel the right way to play football. So that is our target.
Can you tell me about the importance of football as an integrative tool in Kuala Lumpur? I know you have a lot of different nationalities.
It's very important because I think mostly the teams from Asia, you can see a lot of multiracial kids from all over the world. It's very important because from there we know and learn the culture of every player. Doesn't matter where you come from, doesn't matter what's the color of your skin. We learn the culture of each other and we know how to respect each other. If we can start doing that as young, I think we can have a healthy living with all the kids growing up, learning that we should work together instead of just, looking at who you are, where you come from. It doesn't matter. So that's important.
How is your team doing at the moment? Are you winning?
At this moment, for our small academy to play here in Denmark, to play against some of the best clubs, I think we achieve what we want. Especially we can go to the cup. For us to train 3 times a week and to train and play with these boys, some of them train every day. It's just the biggest achievement for us. And also to come here to learn the culture and enjoy the weather, it's just perfect.
How do you like the Dana Cup?
Oh, we love it. This is the second year we came to Dana Cup. We feel like it's going to be a yearly thing for us.